Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to take a look at this PlayStation 3. I bought this a while ago off eBay, I think for around 20 euros. So I don't know what's wrong with it, I really can't remember. So in today's video I want to see if it has any faults, and if so, if I can fix them. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So let's take a closer look. It doesn't look too bad. Let's see what revision this is. It's here the G04, okay, so it's not backwards compatible. The ports look good. It's a little bit dusty in here, but yeah, that's expected. Let's see if it has a hard disk in it. Oh yeah, I heard something rattling in here. And it does. That's great. Something is rattling in there. That's not so great. So let's plug it in and see what it does. I hope it doesn't have major issues because I never worked on one of these before, so I don't have very much experience. So let's see. So I have a standby light here. So let's see if it powers on. It does. Okay, I have a display, that's nice. Okay, let me fetch a controller. Oh yes, now I can finally test my Mad Catz Fight Pad Street Fighter 5 controller. Yeah, I wanted to test this for a long time. Yeah, I can use it for the PS3 or PS4. Okay, it lights up. Okay, that seems to work. Let me get a game. I have here Gran Turismo 6. Let's see. So it doesn't take a disc. Okay, so here's the problem. So let me turn it off, and then I open it up and see what's wrong with the disk drive. So let's open it up. Now this should slide down. Yes. Here are arrows. I think I have to remove those. So the screws are out. I think now I have to press here the tab. Yeah, and then it should come out. Nice. Yeah, it's not too dirty. Yeah, I will clean this out. And so here is the disk drive. Here is one ribbon cable. No, I think that's the power cable here. Nice. Let's see what's wrong with that. So that's a little cleaner now. It just pulls up and like this. So I think I put it back in like this and see what it does. Okay, now I took the disc. Maybe this is just really dirty and needs a little bit of grease, so I will open it up further and take a look. So here's a screw and here. Here are two clips, one here, one here. Yeah, this really needs a good clean. All this old grease. So now I will remove I removed the dust, and now I will here try to remove the old grease and put new grease on here. Yeah, I use a cotton bud and a little bit of IPA just to get rid of the old stuff here. So all the old grease is off. Now here I have a little bit of Teflon grease. It's mostly used for RC stuff, but that's really good stuff. You don't need much for this. So it's roughly back together. Let me see what we get. Okay, now so it takes the disc now. And it seems to read it. That's nice. Now it seems to work. Yeah guys, so that's it for this video. Yeah, I wanted to get this working and now it works. I will now clean the rest of the PlayStation. I think I will film it. If you're interested in this video, please write in the comments down below and then I will edit and upload it. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful. It was not a big fault, just a really dirty Blu-ray drive. A little bit of grease and cleaning fixed the problem. That's nice. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe please if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching this video and I see you in the next one. Bye.